So one of the cows cut loose is busy eating napier grass, which is not supposed to, because that's like their special diet. They're not supposed to be eating napier grass anyhow. So we're gonna get it. We're gonna go get it. Ko wapi?
Wananjo gebogole morushi. Ekere muza.
Ebe no mugwe.
So we go.
Let's go get this cow. Hello. Oh, might have done pretty much damage. Look at this. It does a lot of damage. Hey, buddy. You know you're not supposed to be doing that. He cut loose. And the napier grass has some tough blades, which might cut my skin a little bit. Hey, you cut loose. The rope is very... the rope that is in the neck is very small. I don't know. I hope it's not violent. Look at the damage that he has done. What if this was somebody's farm? Huh? Hey, how did you come here? I don't know how to get it out. Let me walk over this side. We need to get you back in the farm with the other animals. I don't know how you came in. Go back. Go back. Let's go. You're supposed to follow here. I don't know how you came in. I'm not gonna follow to that bush. What is it doing? Hey! Veo un número. It's over here. It's supposed to follow here. I think that's how he came in. But I don't know how he crossed from this end. But the good thing, the whole compound is fenced, so there's no way he can escape. This grass is too tall, man. And the blades are sharp. Let me see if I can follow the other side. Oh. Get back. You're not supposed to be eating napier grass like this. You only eat the portion you have been given. I don't know how you came here. Let's go. And don't go into somebody else's farm. Onate. Risuvi na oregumie mbeng. Risuvi na oregumie mbeng. Oh, na masuguma. This cow is destroying crops. Don't be eating cassavas. I heard it's not good for cows. And how are you gonna pass? How did you come in? Oh, so brave. That's how you came in? Oh, they are so smart. Let's see if we can tie it again. Mugigomere ndi.
Ndio sange na lakini ndajibu.
Oh, he caught it. What up? Those are the rock dogs. They don't want to be petted.
Hizo nyongora gani? Naza ndorekere. Ai. Anda manyimba. Robe kuhorwandizi yawe. Rovora.
Uzarakuzia. Utangena Nairobi.
Ndaramba.
Utangena Nairobi.
Ora zikisu mbona.
Awa. Nanyara kugemela. Muranga bwa.
Akatora aho. Uhiro.
Uhiro nanani? Uhiro odio.
Eba. Okariana.
Let me see if I can finally pet these dogs. They still don't want to be petted.